Hello everyone and welcome to Tech for Grands and everyone else. I'm Ben and today we're going to talk about something that's very important for keeping ourselves safe online: strong passwords. Now I know passwords can sometimes feel a little overwhelming, but trust me, it's worth taking a few moments to understand. Think of it like locking your front door. You wouldn't want to leave it unlocked, would you? A strong password is your first line of defense against those pesky online intruders. You see, there are programs out there that try to guess passwords, and if yours is too easy, well, they might just succeed, and that can lead to all sorts of trouble, like someone getting into your bank account or stealing your personal information. But don't you worry. Creating a good password isn't as complicated as it might seem. We just need to remember a few simple things. First, length is your friend. The longer the password, the better. Aim for at least 12 characters, but if you can go longer, even better. It's like having a longer combination on a lock. Next, variety. Mix things up. Use uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers and symbols like exclamation points or dollar signs. The more different characters you use, the harder it is to guess. And remember, make it unique. Don't use the same password for everything, and try to avoid using things like your birthday or your pet's name. They're too easy to guess. Lastly, make it random. Random passwords are the best. You can even use a password generator to help you with that. There are many free ones online. So remember, long, varied, unique, and random. That's the key. Let me show you a practical example of how to improve a password. Let's start with a common weak password like password 123. This is very easy for hackers to guess. We could transform this into something much stronger like BK3RY FR3SHMUFF1NE. It's longer, has mixed characters, and while it looks complicated, it's actually just bakery fresh muffin with some letters replaced by similar looking numbers and symbols. Here's another trick. Use a sentence to create a password. Think of a phrase like, "I love watching birds at my feeder every morning," and use the first letters ILWB at MFEM. Add a few numbers and you've got a strong password that's easier to remember. Now, you might be thinking, how am I going to remember all these passwords? That's a very reasonable concern. You might worry about forgetting your passwords. That's completely normal. We'll cover strategies for remembering passwords in our next video, but writing them down in a notebook kept in a safe place at home is actually fine. Most hackers aren't breaking into your house, they're trying to break in online. For a more advanced solution, there are password managers, secure tools that store all your passwords in one place. You only need to remember one master password, and the password manager does the rest. We will have a detailed video on how to use a password manager soon.
Just try updating one password today. Your email perhaps. Every little step helps.
Next week, we'll show you how to set up a simple password manager that does all the remembering for you. Thank you for joining me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, and be sure to subscribe to Tech for Grands for more easy to understand tech tips. And remember, stay safe online.